Arm injuries and disorders. Introduction. The arm, not including the hand, has 3 bones. Select true or false. Correct. The 3 bones in the arm are called the humerus, radius, and ulna. Claire fell and landed on her arm. She has swelling in her elbow and is having problems moving her arm. Her elbow and arm are also very tender. Should Claire contact her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Swelling and problems with moving an arm can be signs of a problem. Claire should contact her healthcare provider. Your healthcare provider may limit your activity involving the affected joint. Select true or false. Correct. Your healthcare provider may advise you to limit the amount of activity involving the affected joint to help with healing and to prevent further injury. Exercise and physical therapy can be used to help sprains heal. Select true or false. Correct. Physical therapy helps strengthen the injured area to make it more stable. A dislocated joint is an emergency. Select true or false. Correct. If you think you may have a dislocated joint, seek medical attention right away. Can most types of arthritis that affect the arm be cured? Select yes or no. Correct. Most types of arthritis cannot be cured, but they can be slowed down and controlled with different medicines. Thank you for using Explain.